Hey YouTube, this is Josh, Adventures of Acrophile, coming to you today with another install. Today we're going to do a 3-for-1. We're going to be actually installing all three of these reservoir covers. One goes on the left handle, one goes on the right handle, and the other one goes down here on this reservoir down here, master cylinder reservoir. If you are interested in actually checking these items out, they're from Twin Art. I'll have them linked in the description below. It'll take you to the website where you can review it for yourself, just like any other videos I've made and installs. With that being said, we're going to go ahead and get started with the install now. So first, this is going to be the front left side master cylinder cover, which goes right here. First things first, I've got some rubbing alcohol and a rag, microfiber that hasn't been used yet. I'm actually going to put some of this on the microfiber and try to clean all the surfaces where there's going to be some adhesive on all three of these reservoirs. Right down here. Okay. Put the lid back on here. Make sure I got the front left side. We'll go ahead and unbox it now. So this, the reservoir covers for here are actually metal, which you can hear. They got 3M tape inside. So basically I just got to remove the 3M tape. Once the 3M tape is removed, making sure this is dry and clean, I just gently place it over this reservoir and press down on it. Oh wow. Well, it's a good thing that I did that because I just found out this is loose, so I'm going to have to tighten that up. So yeah, pressing down on the reservoir there. And that's the left side. While I'm here, I might as well go ahead and try to tighten this. I didn't realize that was loose, so it's a good thing that I just found that out. Make sure I got the right size here. Cinch down on this. Yeah, those are pretty loose. All right. I'm going to wipe this off. That's one side. Let me go ahead and get rid of this trash. Alright, so now we're going to go to the right side over here. This is the front master cylinder cover. Right side of the bike. It's the front master cylinder. Right side of the bike. I'll go ahead and open it up now. Same as the other side. This is metal. Put this down out of the way. This does have the 3M tape in it again, just like the other side, so I just got to take that loose. There we go. A little hard to get to. If you have an X-Acto knife, it'd be a whole lot easier. It just sets into place. Press down on it. No, that has adhered. It's not coming off. If you wanted to adhere a little bit more, you got a heating gun or something, you just put it and heat it up a little bit, and it should actually seal a little bit better. From what I understand, the type of adhesive that they've got on these is you can easily take it off because it doesn't adhere extremely hard to it, just for whenever they need to open it up and do any kind of maintenance. So while I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and check this other one as well to make sure it's snug, because the other side had me puzzled for a second too. Yeah, that's pretty loose as well. So go ahead and tighten those down. And when I initially installed these ram mounts, I actually snugged them all the way down, so it's been almost a year and a half, almost 2 years maybe. So they apparently must have worked themselves a little loose. I don't want to over torque them because I don't want to snap it off or mess up any of the threads. Alright, last but not least, this is going to be the rear master cylinder cover. I'm going to come around the bike now. Still got a little bit of alcohol on this rag here, so I'm going to make sure that I touch this up completely. Make sure it's clean. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. A little more staples in that one than normal. This also is metal. It's got the 3M tape in it. Just remove that 3M. I don't want to pull it all the way loose. So basically it's like a Velcro material. I'm not going to take it all the way out. I just want to take the 3M paper off of the 3M sticky part. So yeah, it's a Velcro type plastic. There's actually 2 layers on all these. So once this is in place, when they go to lift it up, it'll unvelcro. You slip this down, push down on it. Make sure that it seats nicely. Okay. At this point, that concludes all 3. So there was this one here, then the right side cylinder, the left side cylinder, and that completes the 3-piece install for today. Alright, well that'll be it for this week. Pretty easy install, like I said in the beginning. If you want to check out these items for yourself, they'll be linked in the description below. If you have any comments you want to make or any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Click that bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I post videos in the future. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. With that being said, I will have another install next week. But for this week, this completes my install. So with that being said, y'all be safe. This is Josh, Adventures of Acrophile, signing out. Take care. Peace.